I got these wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.4, ANC, about 40 hours of playtime, and a touchscreen. Let's unbox it and check it out, and also connect it with the phone. So, and take this off. There we go. So we have some manuals here. Manual. And the earbuds right here. Also, we have something for the earbuds and the cable, USB-C to USB-A. Also, some stuff for the earbuds. Really nice. The package seems to be a bit similar with the Apple packaging. Let's actually take this one out as well. So that's the cable. USB-C, USB-A, about a meter long. Then we have this. And let's check the earbuds. Wow, they look kind of cool. And those are the earbuds. Really nice. I must say they are really lightweight. How do we turn this screen on? Exactly, so you just need to press this button on the back, and that's how you turn the screen on. And then we have here the battery for the left, for the right, and for the case as well. We have Bluetooth right here, and we have volume, ANC, setup, like quite a lot of stuff here to check out. Even lantern mode. Interesting. Yeah, really a lot. You can see when it's open as well, when it's closed. Nice. Let's actually connect it with the phone. So if we open this up, so I believe they might be this A9 Pro. Let's take them out. As you can see, it has like an animation. So if you have them in, you'll see them in on the display as well. If you take them out, it will take them out as well. So if you put them back in, it goes back in. Really nice. So let's take them out and connect them. A9 Pro. And now they are connected. It's that easy. They're just connected. A9 Pro. That's it. And then also let's check here. We can play, pause, change tracks. So if I play some music now, I must say they sound quite good. It's nice that you can use the display for everything you want. You can see the batteries as well, battery percentage. You can see the Bluetooth mode, if they are activated or not. Here you can dial in the volume as well, and of course it's a touch screen. You can use ANC or not, and then Then you can set something up here. Games or music. Probably this one will have lower latency. And we have some other things here. Then we have the menu. You can change here what picture we'll have on the screen. Let's leave this one. And then some other things here. Also the light. So if you go to the picture mode and you go to the photo on your phone, if you press this button, you can use it as a remote as well. Really cool. So it has like loads of features and they also look cool. This display is like really nice and responsive, as you can see right here. It has touch screen, really nice, and it has nice animations. Also, when you put them in and you take them out as well, you can also see if you put them in and you close this. If we unlock this, the Bluetooth is not available. This means you can't connect to them, you can't listen to music. But once you open them, you'll see the animation as well, and also the Bluetooth will be activated, as you can see when I take them out. It already started playing as well. So you can see the Bluetooth here as well. I also like that you can see the name of the song and also the time. Really cool.